Kung mahilig ka kumain sa labas, watch this. Always check kung meron silang promo kasi yesterday I went to Shakey's. Chinek ko may 30% discount pag Citibank credit card. So when I checked their website, yun sa promos, wala dun yung promo ng Citibank credit card. Tapos meron lang dun is actually more on the drinks. So ito yung mga family meals. Pero kasi since I'm having a small party lang naman, gusto ko ako yung mag-order ng a la carte. Let's say pizza, tapos hiwala yung spaghetti, hiwala yung chicken. When I got to Shakey's, nagtanong ako kung meron kayong promo. Surprisingly, meron pala silang 40% off on some pizzas na hindi naman na-announce, hindi ko nakikita sa website, wala doon. So for me, malaking bagay yon kasi marami akong i-order. And at the same time, syempre, Filipinos in general, I guess people in general, they like discount of 40% off yung ibang pizzas nila, 30% yung body back na chicken. Lesson dyan, always ask. Ask and you shall receive. Ano pa yung mga ibang discounts na discover mo na dun lang sa restaurant na hindi pala nila ina-announce? Share naman, comment down below.